Today I'll be showing you a really cool image hover effect for Go High Level that will take your Go High Level websites to the next level. So let's hop into the Go High Level website builder and start creating this effect from scratch. The first thing you have to do is to create a brand new section. Within the selected section you have to add a column row element, the blue one, and within that element you have to add a column. On the column just select whatever image you want. For example, let's use this one, and then just add this class to it, test, or whatever class you want. For this example we are gonna use this class called test. Then duplicate it 4 times, so it should look something like this. Then select the blue element, the column, the row element, and add this custom class called container. And now when you press enter, as you can see, we already have the effect on and it's already working. But for you it might not work yet because you need to add this entire CSS snippet. In order to get it, you can pause the video and try to copy this exact code, or if you have my Notion doc with Go High Level effects, the tutorial you are looking for is this one right here, 3D Depth Image Cascade. Click on it and you'll have access to a full step-by-step tutorial with code snippets and everything that you need in order to recreate this effect. This is basically the easier way, right? You just click on this page and copy the code into Go High Level. And as you can see, the Notion doc contains tons and tons of other cool effects that you can use to enhance your Go High Level website and to impress your clients. Let's go one more time over the code in case you want to pause the video and copy it. As you can see, we have the container class here, container test. If you want to use a different name instead of test, this is just, you know, how I created it earlier. You can replace test wherever you see it, here, 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 and here, with your desired name. And also you can play around with the transform property. In case you don't want to rotate it, you can also just eliminate this completely. Let's do this real quick and I'll show you what will happen. As you can see, is now a simpler animation without that rotating effect. But yeah, depending on how you want to use this effect, you can customize it however you want. Of course, you can play around with the initial state of the image, right? You can use 30 degrees here, for example, and as you can see, now it's more tilted backwards. You can also rotate it on the y-axis 30 degrees, and it looks like this, depending on how you want to display this effect. You can also delete everything and you just have this effect, right? If you don't want the image to be tilted or rotated or something like that. And this is basically the effect. And if you're interested in a much cooler effect for your Go High Level website, such as this one that I'm showing you right now from the Notion doc, click on this video to watch a step-by-step tutorial on how to recreate this exact hero section.